Alright, YouTube. It's your man DJ Keys back with video part 2 of the repair of the Schumacher speed charger. So, if you didn't see my other video, knowing what happened to, I'm going to give you a quick overview of what happened. What essentially happened was I left this connected to my vehicle. I didn't latch my hood. Got ready to get on the exit on the highway. Hood flew straight in the air. Put a little crack in the windshield. This charger went straight up in the air and came down, hit the pavement. I don't know how it survived, but one thing I will say, this company, Schumacher, they make the best chargers on the planet. There is no way this should have survived. And I know this was at least over 20 to 25 feet in the air at almost highway speeds, man. I don't know. The casing here, this hard plastic case, is rock solid. It's durable. Not only that, there is not one crack nowhere. There's not a crack nowhere in this charger. This case shouldn't have survived that fall and the impact that it took. But hey, it did. So essentially what I did, I took a long, older extension cord that I had, and I just put it on there. I took some black electrical tape and put a big wad of it right there in that square, so the cord won't pull out. And after that, I'm gonna take a zip tie. I'm gonna actually zip tie the cord right here. I'm gonna zip tie the cord right there. That'll serve as an anchor. But I won't have that on video. I won't have it on camera now. But those are my plans. Like I said, so I think it's ready to go, YouTube. But the thing about it, what we've got to see now is, let's get it plugged in. This is the plug. Now, this didn't require that third grounding prong, because this charger, I'm not electrical engineer. I really don't know, but the charger itself didn't come, with a third ground. It wasn't that kind of, prong. It just was a hot side, cold side. So, okay, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, YouTube, but we're gonna get back here and we're gonna I want to show you guys that we are going into a wall socket. Of course, I don't know how good you guys can see this, but I'm trying to get it as best I can. All right, we have power. Now it's the moment of truth, YouTube. Let's see what we got. All right. Okay. All right. So we got that. Now the panel is flickering on camera, but in real time, it's not blinking. It's due to the camera. So what we're going to do now, I've got a battery. I just happen to have a battery. So let's hook this now to a battery, YouTube, and see what we got. There's our trusty old battery. And ground is connected. Okay. See that, guys? Ground is connected. Positive. Connected. And if you heard that, the charger just hit the floor again. Okay, this is my workshop here. Okay, so we got it connected to a battery. All right, guys. She works. We got 12.7. Now, I must say one of the buttons here, it's a little janky. Okay, no, it's there. So that's standard. Okay. And we have 12.7. So the charger is functioning. I want to remind you guys again, the blinking that you see is just due to the camera. Here, you know, in real time, it's not doing that. So we're going to select, let's see, what are we going to select? Okay, we're just going to select 3 amps just to, you know, see if it's functioning, doing its job. Okay, yeah, 12.7. So the battery is charging. Okay, on. All right, guys. Yes, we have success. We have success. Once again, guys, if you guys see, we got 81%, 82. Charger is functioning. All right, guys. We have successfully repaired the Schumacher 15 amp speed charger. So, man, if you guys are in the market for a charger, go out, grab this charger. Well, I think they have a new one now. I purchased this one at Walmart. So you guys can go to Walmart, but I do since think this has been discontinued. They've upgraded it. But I'll tell you what, man, this charger, this is a great charger. As you can see, it's charging. We're at 85%. Now, what this charger does, it's an intelligent charger. And after a certain while, the screen will go blank. You know, it does that. You know, it's supposed to do that. But yeah, this is the card that we put on it. Nice, long, thick card now. And so yeah, YouTube, we have successfully repaired our charger. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video. Can't wait to take it outside because actually the battery in my van in SS Astro, it needs to be charged. It actually needs to be replaced, actually, but I'm going to charge it up anyway. All right, YouTube, for your man, DJ Keys, I'm out. Peace.